In a world where we're constantly bombarded with medications and supplements promising to cure all our ailments, it's easy to forget about the power of natural remedies. One of those is celery juice, a simple yet powerful elixir that's been taking the health world by storm. From reducing inflammation to boosting digestion and energy levels, the benefits of celery juice are truly impressive. But don't just take our word for it. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the top benefits of celery juice and how it can transform your health. But before we dive into the benefits of celery juice, let's talk a bit about what celery is and why it's such a powerful health food. Celery is a crunchy vegetable that's low in calories, but high in nutrients like vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium. It's also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect your cells from damage and reduce your risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. But what really sets celery apart is its unique combination of phytonutrients, which have been shown to have a wide range of health benefits. These include reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving digestion. And when you juice celery, you're able to concentrate all these amazing nutrients into a single, easy-to-consume drink. So if you're looking to improve your overall health and wellness, adding celery juice to your daily routine is definitely worth considering. So without further ado, let's explore the top 5 benefits of celery juice and how it can help transform your health. Number 1. Reduces inflammation. Are you someone who struggles with joint pain, digestive issues, or even skin problems? If so, you may be dealing with chronic inflammation, a sneaky culprit that can wreak havoc on your health. But fear not, celery juice may just be the secret weapon you need to fight back against inflammation and reclaim your vitality. You see, inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to a whole host of health problems. Fortunately, celery is packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help to quell the flames of inflammation and support your body's natural healing processes. In fact, a recent study found that drinking celery juice daily for just 2 weeks led to significant reductions in markers of inflammation in the body, up to 48%. So if you're looking to reduce your risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease, or simply want to feel more comfortable and energized, celery juice may be just what you need. Number 2. Improves digestion. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, digestion. While it may not be the most glamorous topic, having a healthy digestive system is key to feeling your best and keeping your body in tip-top shape. And once again, celery juice is here to save the day. You see, celery juice is chock full of fiber, a nutrient that's essential for healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Fiber keeps to help things moving through the digestive system, preventing constipation and ensuring that waste is eliminated from your body efficiently. But that's not all. Celery also contains a unique compound called albumin, which has been shown to protect the digestive tract from inflammation and damage. And according to a recent study, drinking celery juice daily for 2 weeks led to increased bowel movements and improved overall digestion in participants. So if you're someone who struggles with digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or indigestion, adding celery juice to your daily routine may just be the solution you've been searching for. Number 3. Lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure affects millions of people worldwide and is a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and other serious health problems. But did you know that adding celery juice to your daily routine could be a simple and effective way to lower your blood pressure? Celery contains compounds called phthalides, which have been shown to help relax the muscles in the walls of blood vessels. This allows them to dilate and improve blood flow, which can help to reduce blood pressure. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your cardiovascular health, celery juice is definitely worth considering. In fact, a study found that drinking celery juice daily for just 1 week can lead to a significant reduction in blood pressure in people with hypertension. Systolic blood pressure was reduced by an average of 8.2 millimeters Hg, and diastolic blood pressure was reduced by an average of 3.5 millimeters Hg. That's pretty impressive, especially considering how easy it is to incorporate celery juice into your daily routine. Celery juice is also a popular ingredient in juice cleanses, which are a great way to give your body a break and support overall health. Cleansing with celery juice can help to detoxify your body, support healthy digestion, and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Plus, with its high water content and natural diuretic properties, celery juice can help to flush excess fluids and reduce bloating. So whether you're looking to lower your blood pressure, support your overall health, or just enjoy the many benefits of celery juice, there are plenty of reasons to make this nutritious beverage a natural part of your routine. And while you are doing that, consider liking this video. If you feel that celery juice might be something that you will add to your diet, make sure to subscribe to Natural Education if you want to get these health tips on a weekly basis. Number 4. Boosts immunity. Are you ready to give your immune system a powerful boost? Look no further than celery juice. This crisp and refreshing drink is packed with nutrients that can help to strengthen your immune system and keep you feeling your best. Vitamin C is one of the key nutrients found in celery juice, and it's essential for a healthy immune system. This powerful antioxidant can help to protect your cells from damage and boost the production of white blood cells, which are the warriors of your immune system. Plus, celery juice also contains other immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin K, and folate, which work together to support your body's natural defenses. So whether you're looking for a celery juice cleanse or just want to add some extra nutrients to your diet, celery juice is a great choice for boosting your immunity. It's easy to make at home and tastes delicious, so why not give it a try? With all the benefits of celery juice, you'll be feeling stronger, healthier, and more energized in no time. And number 5, promote skin health. Last but not least, let's talk about how celery juice can help to promote healthy, glowing skin. This amazing superfood is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help to nourish your skin from the inside out. One of the key nutrients found in celery juice is vitamin K, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin K helps to reduce the appearance of dark circles, redness, and other skin imperfections by improving blood circulation and strengthening the capillaries. Plus, celery juice is also rich in already mentioned vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Celery juice also contains silica, a mineral that's essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Silica helps to promote collagen production, which is important for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles and fine lines. In fact, a study showed that consuming silica supplements for 20 weeks resulted in improved skin elasticity and a reduction in the appearance of wrinkles. So as you can see, adding celery juice to your daily routine is a great place to start. Who knew that a simple vegetable could be so powerful? So let's raise a glass of celery juice to good health and happiness. And if you want even more natural ways to improve your health and well-being, be sure to check out our video about hypothyroidism. There are 5 symptoms that you might have, but you did not know this was related to hypothyroidism, and that's why natural education can help you with that.